Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how can we install Google Cloud CLI on our Windows machine. It is called gcloud. So let's go in the Chrome and let's find install gcloud. Like this is the name of Google Cloud CLI in Windows. So just go to the next to the first link. And here you see there are different options for different machines: Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS and Red Hat and Mac OS and Windows. So for Windows, there are two ways. One is you can use PowerShell terminal or you can download the exe file from this link. Here you can install it. Let's try using this command. Just copy this one. If you press this one, it will copy everything and open your PowerShell in Windows. PowerShell. I don't have it. PowerShell. Yeah, yeah, you always misspell everything. Yeah, here is PowerShell. PowerShell. Just run it as an administrator, and it will ask. Okay, once it has been started, you can right-click to paste the command you just copied from the link. This one, just copy it one, and if you right-click, it will automatically paste those commands, and it will open this Google Cloud CLI setup wizard. Just follow the steps. Like we don't need to turn on this one. That's fine. Next, I agree. So here you can select the users. If your machine is shared like with other users, it depends on the company. So for me, I would like to just use for myself. So single user. Next, and you can choose the directory where you want to install this Google Cloud CLI. I will leave it as default and go next and leave everything as default, install, and it will take some time. Yeah, this tool will take some time, so don't worry if it will take more than like more or less it will take 5 minutes because it is installing all the tools related to Google Cloud CLI. So just be patient and wait for it to complete successfully. So it will take some time because this is installing all the Google Cloud CLI related tools. So don't worry if it will take some time. So here you see it has done the installation. The last message you will see Google Cloud CLI has been installed. So do next and create start menu. I don't want to see the start menu. Desktop, I don't want to see it. Maybe this is fine. And to configure the, yeah, that I will do by myself. So finish it. So now the installation has been finished. So let's confirm it. Let's do one thing. Let's close and open the PowerShell again. Let's see what do we have. Installed gcloud as we have done before. You can just check gcloud minus version. Let's see if it shows something. So it means that your gcloud has been successfully installed on your Windows machine. Okay. Yeah, just write me in the comments if you need something else and if you don't understand, and I will respond over there. Thank you. Goodbye.